What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video you'll find a lot of free education. Make sure to subscribe because every week I share some free education here on my YouTube channel. Now, as you know, I'm mainly a smart money trader. My strategies are based on smart money, but we need to talk about it for a second. Smart money has great concepts, but at the same time, as you know, 90% of traders are still losing money. And you might wonder why they're still losing money. Of course, psychology has a role in this, but also I will say that smart money by itself is not something that makes you profitable. The concepts are great, but by itself, they don't make you profitable. Actually, constructing and developing a system that works and has an edge on the market is what really makes the difference. I hope that you can really find the informations that you need in order to become successful just by looking at my free channel, but at the same time, in the description below, you can find the links to actually join my course. My course, both the 1.0 and also the 2.0, is included with any membership from the monthly all the way to the lifetime, or also there is the option to have some one-on-one lessons. So make sure to check my website and then I'll see you on the video.
Hi guys, thank you for visiting our channel. This is Abby from Forex Excel. Today we will be talking about sniper trades. So let's get started. So in checking a sniper trades, it's usually you found it in like 1 minute to 3 minutes time frame. So we actually wanted to look at trend. It's like bearish or bullish trend in a lower time frame. Depends on the higher time frame market structure. So as you can see here, our market structure is in a downtrend, right? So you can see a lot of break of structures here, break of structure. So that's one. Let me put that first. So first, you need to check your market structure. So in this case, it is bearish. So once you have identified that you are in the bearish mode, like this one. So I just want to stripe this example. So as you can see here, this is our supply zone. Actually, you can see a lot of supply zones. So what are the indications that this is a valid supply? So one, this is a valid supply because it breaks this structure here. So like this low, this bearish move here broke that structure. So that's one. And another one is it respected the zone. Like this one, it respected it. It didn't push to the upside and make another high. So it respected this area and have this break of structure again. So as you can see here, it's just have a bearish order flow where it respected the supply zone area. So this is the last up candle, as you can view on our previous videos. You can see the order blocks videos to check this. So for me, this is a good supply zone or a good supply to look for because it break this sub or this low here and have this bearish break on this one. So as you can see here, it respected this area. So we can try to look it in 3-minute time frame where we could see a bearish move. So you can see here that it is in the bullish trend, right? And then it make this shift to the downside. So we can consider this as change of character. So for me, that if you identify that this is a bearish trend and you wanted to enter on this area, of course, you need to see a bearish trend in the lower time frame. So you can actually use a Fibonacci tool or a premium area like this one. So usually you can enter on a 50% or the EQ um of this leg or of this move, and then you can try to put your take profit on those area that you feel like the liquidities reside. So this one is for me is in a trend line liquidity, which of course the price will go. So it's it sometimes didn't follow, but as long as you follow a trend, like for example this one, it is bullish, right? And then you're looking for a sell, so you need to have a change of character. If you don't have to, if you don't want to enter an aggressive entry, you can find another breakup structure and then try to look for this zone right here, so that you have a confirmation that you have a change of character and you have a breakup structure to the downside. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you learned something new. See you on our next video.